The IndiaAI Impact Summit, scheduled for mid-February 2026 in New Delhi, serves as the focal point for this unprecedented infusion of capital. This is not merely a series of financial transits, but a structured integration of high-performance computing clusters and data center hubs. The ecosystem is witnessing a surge in commitments totaling nearly $70 billion. These investments are prioritizing the construction of a connected intelligence layer, specifically engineered to support sovereign AI models and sector-specific applications ranging from precision agriculture to advanced diagnostic healthcare. Leading this infrastructural expansion is a series of calculated strategic deployments by global hyperscalers. Google has initiated a $15 billion commitment centering its efforts on the development of a massive AI data center hub in Visakhapatnam. This facility is designed to function as a core processing engine, supporting the deployment of localized language models and low-latency inference services. Parallel to this, Microsoft is executing a $17.5 billion expansion strategy. This investment targets the fortification of cloud architecture and AI capabilities, ensuring that the computational backbone required for enterprise-grade AI solutions is robust and scalable. The focus remains on creating a responsive environment where data flows seamlessly between sovereign data boundaries and global cloud networks. Simultaneously, Amazon has outlined a comprehensive $35 billion roadmap extending through 2030. This long-term capital allocation is directed toward cloud infrastructure and logistics optimization, recognizing usage patterns and data consumption trends that necessitate massive scaling of server capacity. These commitments from international entities are mirrored by domestic conglomerates like Adani and Reliance Jio, collectively injecting billions to secure India's position as a primary node in the global AI supply chain. Underpinning these private investments is the IndiaAI Mission, a government-led initiative backed by over 10,300 crore rupees. This mission is systematically dismantling computing bottlenecks. The initial target of 10,000 graphics processing units has been revised upward, with the ecosystem now enabling access to approximately 38,000 GPUs. This expansion in raw compute power is essential for training the next generation of sovereign AI models. The infrastructure is being calibrated to support over 200 sector-specific small language models, reducing dependency on external foundational models. Furthermore, the initiative is integrating AI curriculum and hardware access across 500 universities, effectively skilling over 500,000 students. This creates a sustainable talent pipeline capable of maintaining and evolving these complex systems. The objective is clear: establishing a self-reliant technological framework where domestic compute power meets domestic innovation needs. The deployment of this capital is strictly targeted toward high-impact sectors. In healthcare, AI solutions are moving Bayesian theoretical frameworks into active clinical deployment. Diagnostic algorithms are being integrated into public health networks, analyzing medical imaging with precision to detect anomalies earlier and more accurately than traditional methods. These systems learn from vast datasets of localized health records, optimizing patient outcomes through predictive analytics. In the agricultural domain, the focus is on precision and resource management. AI-driven platforms are now coordinating across devices from soil sensors to autonomous harvesting, machinery communicating with each other to reduce resource waste. These systems analyze real-time weather patterns and soil composition, automatically adjusting irrigation cycles and fertilizer application. This results in a responsive agricultural ecosystem that balances loads and adapts to environmental variability, ensuring food security through intelligent, data-driven farming practices. The coherence of this $70 billion pipeline is maintained through structured public-private partnerships. Recent industry meetings led by Prime Minister Modi have yielded a consensus on deployment-focused strategies. Rather than disjointed pilot projects, the industry is moving toward integrated rollouts where government policy creates the regulatory sandbox, and private enterprise provides the technological execution. This synergy ensures that the vast financial commitments translate directly into tangible infrastructure, glowing as one intelligent system symbolizing the future of AI-driven governance.